Hey everybody, my name is GabiiStyles and I'm about to bring you another hair tutorial. This video is going to be way different than my other videos. I'm going to be talking in this one because a lot of you guys were asking for me to talk. So that's what I'm going to do for you today. So the hairstyle that I'm about to do for you guys today is sorry, I'm feeling myself a little bit. But it has to do with your hair being straight. I straightened my hair prior because I did not want to sit here straightening my hair in the camera. I just get to the hairstyle. What you need for this hairstyle that I'm doing is extensions, a comb, this brush, and some bobby pins. Alright, let me stop. As you can see, my hair is already straight. For this hair tutorial, for this hairstyle I'm gonna do, you have to have your hair straight, so make sure you straighten your hair before. Let's get started. The first piece of extensions you want to use is the 3-clip weft. That's the first one. And what I usually do is I like to tease the roots of my hair where the clips are going to be staying and clip them in. It also makes it stay in longer because it has something to grab to. If it don't have something to grab to, they're easily going to come out. So secure. We're gonna move on to the next one. Always make sure you part your hair, don't forget that. But we're gonna move on to the next weft, and that weft is gonna be the 4 clips. Always tease your hair if you want them to stay in. I also tease my hair because of the blending. It usually don't blend when your hair is not teased at all. You'll see the clips and everything when you go outside in the sun. It's trash. Next is going to be the 2 clips. Always tease. That's always what I forget, is to tease. Just the roots. Never want to tease the whole thing because then you're going to look like a bird nest. You feel me? Too quick. another 2 clips to the other side. And then 2 clips for the back. We have 2 more left. That's for the top. Your line really don't have to be perfect, but like my back lines, they weren't perfect at all. I know they weren't. But me, I really don't care about the back. Which you should care, but I don't care. Alright, another thing I like to do before I get to the style is kind of tease the top, but underneath. Looks crazy now, but trust me, it's going to be worth it at the end. All around, like the crown of your head. This is where the bobby pins come to play. Alright, so you can either do it like this. I ran out of pink, so I chose blue and pink. Or what you can do is this. I'm going to switch it up for you real quick. kind of switched it up a little bit. Just a little bit. I put blue and pink. Then I got the full pink over here and the full blue over here. This is the full look. You can either wear it all out. You wear the whole thing all out. Or what I like to do. Just throw this in a ponytail. Alright, I had a little moment there, but I hope you guys like the tutorial. Thank you for watching.